This is Jay Bowman from ForexTradingVids.com. I would like to do a technical analysis on the Swiss franc for the 21st of March 2011. Let's get straight to it. We've got the monthly here. That on the bottom of this monthly we're looking at the 84.44 mark, right? That's our target out of this symmetrical triangle, and it would also be the bottom of this downwards channel. So let's go to the weekly and get a little bit more precise in where we're heading. Now, last week we did break this pattern here, which is just a descending channel, and our target is the 87.82 mark to roughly the 86.50 mark. Okay, so that's where sort of the weekly is telling us where this is going. Now, if I just home in on the daily, this is where it gets more interesting. We had a flag and it broke, right, and that was a target 88 mark. But we're experiencing another flag here, and I can also go over this with the US dollar later on just to give you an indication why. Now, it looks like we're forming another flag here, and basically if I do the measurements in anticipation of this, the break would give us the 86.73 mark to the 86.42. Now, a retracement up to 92.29 is possible, and this would be a retracement of 40%. Now, let's just go back to the weekly, and I'll just give you an idea that that's the same target in between there, roughly the 52 mark, roughly the 87-ish mark on the weekly. So having those two targets, if the daily breaks, is quite interesting. And also what we see here on the Hawkeye is that, yes, it is slowly starting to turn, but it looks very probable that this is a flag forming and will break. So that's what I'm looking for. And as you can see, we can definitely get a retracement up to 91.92 level before it breaks. And you're looking for, well, if we work it out quickly, so we get a retracement, say, to the 90.80 mark. Well, even so, a break roughly at the 90 level and a target of 86.73, right? Which is, you know, quite a good handsome profit of, say, 330 pips almost. So that's a nice little one that I'm looking at, and I really would like to get my hands on this, and I'll definitely keep you up to date when this comes to fruition. So let's just go to the US dollar, and this will give you a bit of an idea of why I'm heading sort of this way. Now, it's only one more week and we have a break on this monthly, sort of some symmetrical triangle or wedge formation. Now, if we do get a 1 week, at the end of this week we get a close and it's broken, we will heading down to the 72.71 level, right? Now, that would also coincide with the Swiss dollar getting stronger. So let's just go to the weekly. Now, the weekly here, we could get a retracement up to the 76.30 level before coming off, and coming down to the daily, it looks like if we do get a 76.30 level, it's touching that upper channel line, okay, and that would be another formation of a bear flag, which coincides with the Swiss dollar of making a flag. I have a couple more updates for the euro, also the sterling that I'd like you to keep your eye on, and I think we're heading for another good possibility of some 200-300 point moves, but let's just keep our eye on it, and I'll be updating you with the euro and the sterling very shortly. So thank you for listening. This is Jay Bowman from ForexTradingVids.com signing out. Until next time.